In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate deal flow in HubSpot. Streamlining your deal process can significantly enhance efficiency and help you focus on closing deals rather than handling manual tasks. So let's get started on how you can set this up within HubSpot. First, after logging into HubSpot, you'll need to navigate to your CRM. The CRM is your central hub for managing all customer interactions and tracking data throughout the lifecycle of your business. Once you're there, look for the Deals section. This is where you can manage all your active deals, giving you visibility into their statuses and expected close dates. Next, select any particular deal you're interested in automating. Clicking on a deal allows you to view detailed information about it, including its progress, associated tasks, and any notes or attachments that have been added. It's crucial to understand what you're automating, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. Now, let's move to the settings. From within the deal, find and click on the settings icon. The settings page offers various configuration options that are vital for personalizing and optimizing your HubSpot experience. This is where we're going to tweak the settings to set up automation. Once in the settings, locate and click on pipelines. Pipelines in HubSpot categorize and organize your deals. They're the backbone of your sales process, typically segmented by stages such as prospect, negotiation, and closed won. Making sure your pipeline is correctly set up is essential for automation later on. Next, click on Automate from the Pipelines section. Tagging this option means you're stepping into the world of workflows. Within these automated processes, you can dictate what occurs at every stage of your pipeline. It's about setting rules that reflect the natural flow of your sales process, thereby helping reduce manual intervention. To customize your automation, click on the option to begin the setup. This area is where you define specific triggers and actions, such as sending an email when a deal moves to a particular stage. Customization is key here. Each business will have unique needs and triggers, so spending time to adjust these settings appropriately will pay off in the long run. And that's it. You've successfully set up automation within your HubSpot deal flow. Automation can sound complex, but by breaking it down into these manageable steps, it becomes much more accessible. With these settings in place, you'll likely find more time available to focus on nurturing customer relationships and closing deals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to check out similar videos on our channel for more tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience.